Let's try injera. It has a whole bunch of holes, so if you have trypophobia, then I don't know if you want to look at this. And this is a Ethiopian flatbread. A lot of different cultures have their own versions of flatbread. In Pakistani food, we have a lot of rotis, parathas, and naans. And you basically break a piece off of the flatbread and then you scoop up whatever you're eating it with. But it just looks like a giant pancake. It feels a bit like silicone. It's really light. It almost has a bit of a sourness, almost like a bit of a sourdough. And it's interesting how a lot of Ethiopian restaurants serve injera. They basically place it on a plate and in the middle goes the actual food, which seems a bit odd to me because then in the center, things might just get all soggy because for us, we usually have the flatbread on the side. They seem to be treating it as a lot of Trinidadians may do when they eat their goat curry or the chicken curry, where they just have the roti out and the food in the center and then you eat around it. I guess in the end, it does soak up all that flavor and you get to munch on that. I'm not too familiar with Ethiopian cuisine, so I'm not sure which dish I should try this with, but I do want to try making this myself. And injera is made from teff flour, as opposed to what we use in Pakistan, atta, also known as wholemeal wheat flour. I don't even know what teff flour is. It's from the grains of the Eragrostis teff. Eragrostis teff. That's an ancient cereal crop from the Ethiopian highlands. It's nice. I like that bit of sourness. I would give this a 8.3 out of 10.